Welcome to my channel. I'm Amy. I have 7 kids, 3 grandkids, and I love to cook. I have so many tried and true recipes, and so if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a recipe. Today, I'm gonna be making frittata. I haven't done much with breakfast, so I'm really excited. Frittata is so good for like a weekend breakfast or a brunch, or if you're invited to a brunch and you have to bring something, it's perfect. It's really simple. This recipe starts in a frying pan and transfers into the oven, and it is a spinach, tomato, chicken frittata with cheese. Frittata is an Italian recipe, egg-based, kind of like an omelet, kind of like a quiche, without the crust, and typically it's vegetables, meats, and cheese. So we're gonna do it, okay? You ready? Okay, so it's time to get started and make our frittata. So start with a skillet. A cast iron works well for this. And we're gonna go ahead and start with cooking our veggies. So about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna put some fresh spinach. About a cup of fresh spinach. Okay, into the spinach, we're going to crush in a clove of garlic. This pan got good and hot. Mix that around. Okay, and the spinach is going to shrink down quite a bit. Sorry for the loud sizzle. I definitely got that pan too hot. So as the spinach is shrinking way down, we'll go ahead and add 1 cup of sliced grape tomatoes, or use cherry tomatoes. As that tomato softens a little bit, I'm going to start cracking eggs. So I'm using 8 eggs in this recipe. I cooked 2 chicken breasts ahead of time with some salt and pepper and shredded it. So that's going to go into the frittata. That's going to give it a nice hearty substance. You could do deli meat, rotisserie chicken. You could do bacon at this point, which would be really good as well. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put some fresh black pepper. So to the eggs, we add 1½ teaspoons of salt and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Okay, gonna create a really nice, fluffy, delicious frittata. And you wanna get this whisked until the yolks are nicely blended, but you do not want to over whisk. Stubborn yolk. Okay. I have some fresh basil, which is going to take this right to the next level. So I've got 4 pretty huge basil leaves, and I'm just going to roughly tear into the frittata. And the smell of basil, so good. Okay, give this a mix. I chose this combination a lot for the color. I love the red and the green together. It's going to be a beautiful visual combination and also a taste sensation. Okay, so we've got our whisked eggs and cream. Go ahead and pour that over. Okay, and we leave it be. And once the egg starts to pull away from the edges, in about 5 minutes or so, we pop this into the oven. Oh, can't forget one of the most important ingredients. I've got fresh Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup nice and even over the top. And for an Italian flair, some mozzarella that I shredded. Same thing, half a cup over the top. There we go. Oh my God. This is gonna be so good. So like, how simple is that, right? That's the hardest part. And then it goes in the oven and you cut it into triangles and you're good to go. Frittata. All right, it's been 5 minutes and it's starting to look like it's forming a little bit of a crust and it's pulling away. So I'm gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So I will be back to show you the finished product. Okay, this looks amazing, and I baked it for 15 minutes at 350. Put a little basil in the middle for a decorative touch. So I cut it into 8 pieces, and we'll go ahead and give it a try. It's been cooling for a little bit.
Don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
Holy moly, that is so good. I got a nice, good chicken bite. Spinach. Oh man, delicious.
Okay.
Host a brunch. Your friends will love it. Thank you so much for watching. And remember that my recipes are down below. I hope you'll make it and let me know how it turns out. And have a fantastic day. Take care.